JT-6 mechanical tablet press is a small tablet press, which is one of the most important devices for pressing granular raw material into tablets or drugs in pharmaceutical, chemical, food, electronic industry. The model of this tablet press can be used for pressing medicine tablets, candy, coffee tablets, electronics components, powdered metallurgical components, various pesticide tablets, fertilizers and so on. Mechanical tablet press is excellent for small batch production, laboratory or hospital. The tablet press can press different shapes of tablets as well as press on both sides to produce tablets with trademarks, letters and logos. Time 3000毫秒 in a round tablet 5.10 mm.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.